everybody, BrickLover18 here today with my MOC swamp slash pond area. So I made this to go with my city beside the railroad tracks. Here's what it looks like with a 360. It has one fish, one crab that I believe may be Mega Bloks or Lego. I'm not sure. I got it in my garage sale haul. It actually comes with a stud on the bottom. I think it may be Mega Bloks because I have not seen a Lego one before. It also has a rock and several flowers. So as you can see, I'm using some oh my gosh, I forget the word. Some clear plates, blue plates, to make it look like water with the fish swimming. It's actually kind of floating, not dead though. And we have some bushes here, a rock, and just flowers all the way around just to add that nice spot. And then here we have like mud kind of thing. It goes grass, then mud. It just looks really cool. Here's the bottom. I'm going to have to knock the fish out. Here's the bottom of it. You have to zoom out. Or I can't zoom out. I'm sorry. So that looks really cool. And yes, a lot of these plates are Mega Bloks, so don't get all mad. I just like the color was better, honestly, than the Lego brown. It was more darker and it was more muddier. So as I said, it just takes a bunch of flowers and some plates, really, to make this pond. It's really, really cool. I hope you have a chance to make one like that. Thanks for watching this video by BrickLover18. Have a great day.